Welcome to my tutorial on adding a watermark in CapCut PC. Let's start with this video as our background. Go to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. Adjust the duration to match the video. Enter the desired watermark text. Select a suitable font. Scroll down to add a shadow. Set the opacity to 100%, blurriness to 0%, and distance to 11%. On the preview screen, adjust the size and position of the watermark as needed. Then, right-click to create a compound clip. Go to the Video Basics, click on Blend, and choose Overlay. Adjust the opacity as needed. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.